Welcome back to another video, guys. This is Marvin. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be testing out Gyeon Q2M Tar. So stay tuned. Alright, Q2M Tar. I bought this mainly because of two things. One, it was on sale, and then number two, it smells good. It is very effective when I saw it, so I'm going to be testing that out in two ways. How to do a maintenance decontamination, and number two is how to do a pre-polish decontamination that I'm going to show you guys. What's there to review for a tar remover? It's a best friend for a white car. So let's go ahead and do it. For the first, which is pre-polishing decontamination, all you're gonna need is your tar remover and a microfiber towel that you wanna say goodbye to because you're gonna spray and wipe. For maintenance, you're just gonna use the tar remover, spray it, let it melt those things, spray it with water, move on. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but there is tar. Yeah, there is a bit of tar on the car. Hopefully when I spray it on, you'll be able to see them dripping it down. So tar remover is a solvent-based thingy that will dissolve the thingy in your car. White cars will benefit most, but all cars will benefit from it. The first step is obviously washing the panel. You don't want to be working with a dirty panel, so it looks clean, but it's really not. It's just the camera and the light. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo the car. We are using a green tip for this. Here's the green tip because we want to push the dirt away, not just rinse it. And now we want to take our mitt with a shampoo and wash it. And now we want to rinse it. So we have our sprayer on, Gyeon Tar. Let's go ahead and spray it. For the first one, I'm going to show you how to do it with a maintenance wash or a maintenance decontamination. This is just how I do it. You just spray it on and then you rinse it off. Let's see how that goes. It's been there a few seconds. Let me zoom in. All right, you see it melting it? See it there? It's working. So we're gonna rinse it off. There's another shot there. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is the most pleasant smelling tar remover I've ever smelled. Although, still a good idea to wear gloves, please, and work in a ventilated area to do this. Oh, tar is melting. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. I don't want this sitting on the paint for too long. Let's zoom in. As you can see, that thing is still there. That's the downside for the maintenance no-touch decon, is that you're gonna use a lot more product than you want to. Let's try it if we can take this out by just spraying it again. So it is melting it right away. Wait a couple of seconds. That's a couple of seconds. Let's go ahead and rinse. As you can see, still there. Sorry, it did not disappear. So I'm spraying it on again. I can still see it melting. Maybe you guys can see it too. And that's all you do. Spray, rinse, repeat. That's without touching the car. And for the next one, which is the most invasive, is I'm gonna spray it and then I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of seconds and then wipe it off with my say goodbye microfiber towel. so that it will take out the tar spots more effectively. But more effectively means it's gonna mar up the paint, and that's what you do if you're gonna clay it afterwards or polish it afterwards. In this case, it's okay to scratch up the car. I haven't decided when I'm gonna polish it yet, so I just want it clean. So it's either I want it smooth as glass or rough but no scratches, but in this case I don't care because I'm gonna polish anyways. Let's go. Alright, next step is focus, bro. We're gonna use our towel. Take this out. And then we're just gonna wipe it. And then it's clean. Oh, let me show you guys. Yep, that's how it's working. You're just gonna wipe this away. Those are the tar spots, if you can see. Focus my hand here. Yep, just wipe it. Well, you might not be able to see it much, but there's a bit of tar there. Good news is it's very, 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 very clean. So just do that. Just repeat everything I mentioned. You'll be having a car that's decontaminated with tar in no time. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot to mention, before you go ahead and say bye-bye, you have to wash this with shampoo again so that you'll neutralize whatever's in that tar thingy. Although it's pH neutral, but you know, being safe is better than being sorry. So goodbye again. Laters. After rinsing, it's still beading. That means it didn't really dissolve bead maker BSD. That means it's LSP safe, which is awesome. That means it's coating safe. Very cool.